Hi, I'd like to show you this really small IP camera, and I want to show you what you will get in the box, how to install the camera, and what are the basic features of the camera. So besides the camera, in the box you will also receive user manual, which is on English from what I can see. Okay. And other side is on Chinese. So user manual is on English and Chinese. Besides that, you will receive power adapter and USB cable. Also, you will receive the stand for the camera, and now the most important, you will receive the camera itself. So basically it looks like this. It is really small. On the front side of the camera, in the middle we have camera sensor. Below we have sensor which detects if the camera is in daylight mode or dark mode. And we have also 4 built-in infrared LEDs. Infrared LEDs are prepared for dark mode, so basically that camera can see in dark mode with infrared LEDs. On the top of device, as you can see, we have reset button, and on the back we have slot for memory card and USB port for charging and power on off. So why we need USB for charging? Because this camera has a built-in battery, and when battery is discharged, you will need to charge it with this power adapter which you will receive. So basically you need to just connect USB port and the red light will light up, meaning that the battery is charging. After the battery is charged, fully charged, the LED light will be blue. Also, if you need to record the video or take screenshots, then you will need to have the memory card. So you need to insert the memory card up to 64 gigabytes. If something happens to the camera, you can always reset it with this button, and that's it. From what I can see, also it is made from, I believe, some rubber or plastic, but it feels like rubber. Okay, so how and one more thing, you will also receive this stand. This stand is magnetic, so basically just touch the stand and you can see it holds up. And other side, you need to remove this sticker so that you can stick it on the wall on your table where you need to put your camera, and it will stand like this. Okay, and now how you can install this camera? Basically, on your smartphone or tablet, you need to install one of these applications. When you install these applications, you need to turn on the camera and press the reset button for 5 seconds. After that, the LED will be blue and it will blinking, meaning that it is searching for the network. After that, you need to open your application on your smartphone or tablet, and then you need to click add new device and just follow this step by step. You will also need to enter some information about your router, and in the last step, on your smartphone, it will show the barcode. This barcode needs to be scanned with this camera. Basically, if the camera will receive required information about your home network, and when the camera scans the barcode, it will automatically connect to your home network. After the camera is connected to your home network, after that you can start using the camera. So with this camera you can record video, take photos or screenshots. Thanks also, as I said earlier, it has infrared LEDs built in, and because of that this camera can also work in dark mode when the room is completely in dark. When we speak about video quality and photo quality, I need to tell you that the photo and video quality is somewhere in middle, but to be honest, I didn't expect too much of that camera. Also, the battery lasts approximately 4 hours with completely turned on. So basically it's okay, and it's quite easy to use because the application on your smartphone, it has just several options. It has record video, take screenshot, motion detection and alarm, and that's it. So basically basic application with some features. Overall, in my opinion, it's okay. It will be nice for my room, so that I can time from time turn on the camera and see what is happening in my room. Okay, that's it, and I hope that I helped you with this information about this small camera. And that's it. Thank you. Bye.